End of day one, ProveIt 2026. Day one couldn't possibly have gone better. I threw out my speech and I spoke completely from the heart about humanity and the power of people and how digital transformation is all about people.
What you have to do is create an environment that unlocks the potential of people.
The opening event with your dad was pretty amazing. I was overwhelmed by it.
Some standout presentations. Jeff Winter absolutely slayed the keynote. The basic crux of the argument is that there are multiple layers of AI maturity, and it is horizontal, vertical, and multi-dimensional. And that organizations need to understand that the way that they implement AI is going to fall somewhere on a spectrum.
You as an organization have to decide when your employees are expected to trust the system, when you're expected to challenge the system, and when you're expected to override the system.
A couple of standout presentations. Benson Heglin and Opto22 completely slayed it.
It's more than just the lights and the glitz and the glamour. The people that are here is the huge difference.
There's a lot of people here. There's a lot going on. We're meeting up with customers. We're meeting up with partners. We're meeting up with prospects.
We want to be a part of the community. We want to see what's going on, but we want to connect with people. I mean, I wanted to see actual solutions to problems. I didn't want to see slide decks.
There are so many smart people here, so many great companies, and it's great to see all the different ideas. I feel like I'm in a kid in a candy jar.
The rest of the week, I'm very excited about some of the announcements we're going to hear, especially from HiveMQ, some of the stuff that Litmus is doing with agentic AI going forward. Flow Software has got some great announcements. I would say the big standouts, Dados Tech has gotten a lot of traction, Red has gotten a lot of traction, but at the end of the day, the first day is always the one that you know the least about, and I couldn't possibly be happier with the outcome.